This is an iPhone 8. Today, I'll show you how to replace the battery of this iPhone. So let's start the video. First, we will remove the display screws and disconnect the display connector to separate it. Now, we will remove the screws on top of the battery. Then, we will remove the battery stickers by carefully peeling them off. Then, we will lift out the battery and take the new battery. We will remove the plastic cover from the stickers on the new battery and align the battery before placing it. Then, we will fasten all the screws and finally reconnect the display connector. That's it. Thanks for watching.